my name is Gerardo Rojas. I'm a visual artist located in Lima, Peru, and this is the Adobe Stock Artist Spotlight series. In this episode, I will share some experiences and advices that you will need in order to become an Adobe Stock contributor too. First, I will tell all about my art evolution, then I will share some tips about my unique and special creation process, and finally, I will explain how important is real representation of communities and how Adobe Stock helped me to share these stories. Well, as a child, I have always been surrounded by different creative activities such as painting and drawing.
In my early years at school, the biggest moments that I remember is that I prefer to enter to my own world and isolate just to draw. Then, when I found photography, I noticed that my social abilities naturally improved, because in photography, the most important is how you connect with people.
As I grew older, I found my way between outdoor and fashion photography.
Along the way, I discovered that taking a photo not only includes the aesthetic and visual side as important parts, but what really matters is the feeling and meaning that this image conveys.
That's why the creation process takes place since brainstorming and conceptualization.
I consider that my creation process is really unique and personal. I have been considering since a long time that having different experiences in real world is what makes richer the work that you get out of your mind.
I consider my work full of feelings. It really depends on the mood that I have in the moment.
That's why it's really important to accept them. Who knows that from that feeling, a brilliant idea can be initiated. I usually get these inspirations directly from nature, from walking by the sea, observing every detail, to a casual outing where a composition of objects in the streets or the behavior of people get inspiring me.
Then I complement the process by researching in digital media just to further ground the idea.
I'm very strict when I have to create some natural and warm atmospheres. I have always been using previous images just to check what colors and atmospheres I could recreate again. Last year was amazing. I got selected to be an artist developing fund recipient from Adobe Stock to create images based on identity and gender and celebration of self.
When I had the opportunity to become a contributor to Adobe Stock,
I didn't hesitate. I committed myself to the task of making a real and faithful representation of the LGBTQ+ community in Peru. With this collection, I showed the different spaces and moments where different individuals from the community transit to express who they are without any fear. Today, it's crucial that, as an artist, you can be critical and propose different points of view that help the equal representation of people in most social spaces. Hope you like this episode of the Adobe Stock Artist Spotlight series.
Don't forget to check out the rest of my collection on Adobe Stock, as well as the other Artist Spotlight episodes that you can find on the Adobe Creative Cloud YouTube channel.